Recently, one of my subscribers messaged me on Instagram asking me to suggest the best niche because they don't know how to edit, which is why they're struggling to grow their channel or TikTok account. So today's special video is for those subscribers of mine who don't know editing but want to earn thousands of dollars through YouTube Shorts or TikTok. This video is for you. My friends, in this video, I will share the best method with you that has high competition, but the growth potential is so good. So without wasting any time, let's start the video now. Now you'll head directly to a website called vsub.io. First, we'll create viral Reddit shorts. Click on the Reddit story and uncheck Include Comments. Choose a duration of 2000 from the bottom and select your language. Next, add the link of your Reddit post in the designated section below. To find a suitable story, open a new tab and search for a story that fits your content, such as a horror story. Once you've found one, copy the complete link to the post and paste it on the website. Click on Apply Magic, and your video will start generating automatically. Then, navigate to your Reddit section, take a screenshot, and write your channel name. If you want, you can add your channel logo. I'll keep it as it is for now. Then, scroll down and put your channel username. You can change how many upvotes or comments you want. When you're ready, click Generate Screenshot. To switch the background video, go to the video section. Pick a background you like. Next, click on Style and turn on the shadow effect. Then, download the video to your device. Now, let's create a fake text video. For that, you have to come to ChatGPT. Then paste this prompt here. I will leave the prompt in the description. Create an intense conversation between a master and a student. Similarly, you can add more according to your story by changing the master or student. Now go to the website and click on Create Fake Text, then use sample data. And paste the first line of your copied script here. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy second text and paste it here. Like this, copy and paste all the script. Then click on Continue. Your video will start getting ready. And this is the final result.
Master, hey, how's the training going?
Student. It's like trying to teach a cat to swim.
Master, that bad, huh? What's the trouble?